We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management,
channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 8 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on ML1 course evaluation. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. You can contact me for help in assignments, quizzes, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluation. You can see project description here to get idea about your assignment. Moving to the first step, that is about start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluation. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. In this step, basically we have to just start Excel, download and open the file. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So moving to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about use the frequency function in the range H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distribution of the course evaluation from the range D4 to D35 based on the frequency events located in the range G5 to G9. In this step, we have to add a frequency function in the range H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distribution of course evaluation from the range D4 to D35. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here H4 is equal to, we will enter a formula in H4. H4 is equal to, we will use the frequency function and select the range C4 to C30. Then G4 to G11. G5 to G9. Here we will select the range D4 to D35. D35 and then G5 to G9. Close bracket and press enter. We have to copy this formula from H5 to H9. So we will copy it. Now here it will calculate the frequency for course rating. Step number 2 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about use the standard deviation function to calculate the standard deviation between the current values of all course rating in cell H12. In this step, basically we have to enter a function for calculate the standard deviation that are between the current values of all course rating in cell H12. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here we have to use the standard deviation function to calculate standard deviation. So we will calculate the standard deviation here in H12 by using the formula. In formula we will use the standard deviation function and we will select the range deviation function between the current values of all course rating. So our course rating values are D4 to D35. Close the brackets and press enter. Here our standard deviation will calculate by using this formula. Now we will move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about use the variable functions to calculate the variance between the current values of the course rating in cell A13. Here we have to use the variance function for calculating the variance between the current values of course rating in cell H13. So go to the Excel worksheet. Here we have to calculate the variance in H13. So we will calculate it by using the variance formula. Variance formula, we have to find the variance between the current values of course rating. So we will select the course rating values, that is from D4 to D35. Press enter. It's our variance value by using this formula. Now move to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is about use the correlation function in cell G17 to calculate the correlation between GPA in the range C4 to C35 and course evaluation in the range D4 to D35. In this step, basically, we have to use the correlation function in cell G17 that will calculate the correlation between GPA in the range C4 to C35 and course evaluation in the range D4 to D35. So we have to use the correlation function for calculating the correlation between GPA. Go to the Excel worksheet in cell G17. We have to use the correlation function. Go to the Excel worksheet in G17. We have to use the correlation function. By using function, we will write the formula. Here we have to select the range from C4 to C35. C4 to C35, and then select the values D4 to D35 that are our course rating. We'll select GPA and course rating D4 to D35. Press enter. Now we can calculate our correlation by using this formula. Total steps in this assignment is 12. I have done 5 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining steps of this assignment are help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, Finance Management and Information Technology. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.